welcome back in electronics lecture. We have started the chapter is study of components part 2. Study of components part 1 is completed. Study of components in part 2. What we are going to see is relay, switches, relay, switch, battery, wire and PCBs. So from that we have completed 3 points, that is relay, switch and battery. Today we are going to see is what? Wire. So first of all I want to review that points. That is the relay. What is relay? Relay is nothing but it is an electronic device which is used to on and off the circuit. Sometimes what happens, it is not possible to manually switch on the circuit or switch off the circuit. At that time you can switch on and off the circuit with the help of remote control. Okay, so relay is used in the remote control also. One more example I have given you for relay is our inverter we use at our home. That what happens, relay will work on both alternating current and direct current. If MACB supply is cut, then it takes the supply from battery and it keeps work on DC supply also. Okay, so that is about the relay. There are 2 points, NC and NO. NC means what? Normally closed, and NO means what? Normally open. So if in the AC connection it will be normally closed condition, which it is in working condition, but power is off, then what happens, one common rod is there, one common cable is there, and it will be connect to the normally open when light is off, and it takes the supply from the battery and it will start working. Means what? One coil is there. Okay, so its diagram I have drawn like this. Keep it in mind, the diagram, that it is normally closed and this is the normally open. Okay, so here one coil is there. This coil produce what? Electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic field produce EMF across this, and this common copper rod is connected to normally open, then it will be bulb. If it is connected normally closed, then normally closed will be in the open condition. I have drawn the diagram of bulb also for explaining that. Okay, well, if you understand what is the relay, next is what? Switch. Switch means what? Switch is used to on and off the circuit. Switch is a component which is used to on and off the circuit. When it is off condition, what happens? If suppose I have given you one example of the key. Suppose it's a battery, and here you are connected the bulb, isn't it? This is the key. If I will draw the key like this. If this key is connected, then what happens? Supply will be flow through this and this bulb will be on condition. Okay, so it is what? If key is closed. Key is closed means what? Circuit is in on condition, or it is also called as the circuit is in the make condition. So 3 words are there for on, make, close and on are the same. If the circuit is this open, means what? Connection is open, it is not connected, it is like this. Means what? It is open, then what happen? Current will not flow, voltage will not flow through this, and this bulb will be what? Off condition. So it will be in the off condition, and this will be what? In the break condition. Okay, this concept is there in the switch. If what happens, see, if it is off condition, then there is no question of resistance. It will not oppose the flow of, what is the function of resistor? Resistor opposes the flow of current. So it will not oppose because no current is flowing this. Then resistance will be maximum off condition. And here it opposes the flow of current, therefore resistance will be minimum in the on condition. Okay, so this concept you have to remember in the switch. There are so many types of switches that I have told you. There are exact 9 switches are given in your syllabus. Toggle switch, yes, micro switches are there. Toggle switch means what? SPST, single pole single through, single pole double through, double pole double through, and double pole single through. Okay, so there are 4 types of toggle switches in your syllabus that we have seen with its diagram. Okay, so these are what our switches. So there are 4 types of toggle switches. Okay, so next are the micro switches. Micro switches are used in radio frequency signal. Okay, rotary switches are there. Rotary switches are also used in the micro switches are used in our keyboards, and rotary switches are used in the radio frequency signal, and many number of switches are mentioned there, and we have seen the use of that switches. Next, what we have seen is the battery. What about the battery? Battery is nothing but it is a cell. Battery means what? Cell that you use in your remote. Okay, so in that cell is nothing but a chemical compound is there, means chemical material is there in the cell, which is the active. Which are 2 types of cells are there. Yes, lithium cell and cadmium cell. Cells are of 2 types, that is the lithium cell and the cadmium cell. So in lithium cell what happened? It is the primary cell. There are 2 types of cell, primary cell and secondary cell. Primary cells are what? Which type of cells? The cell which is what? Chemical energy is converted into electrical signal is called as the primary. Secondary means what? It is chemical is converted into electrical signal. Then primary cells are having, yes, use and throw cells are there, and secondary cells are not use and throw. You can recharge it again. Primary cell have low cost, but secondary cell have the high cost. The difference also we have seen. So this lithium cell is divided again into 2 types, that is the lithium sulfur dioxide and lithium thionide. Lithium thionide chloride. Okay, again divided into 2 types. So lithium sulfur dioxide give the output voltage is near about 2.9, and lithium thionide is give 3. I have mentioned all that points at that time when I have explained the what lithium. We have seen the diagram also. These are in the shape of disc type, or these are in the shape of round shape. Okay, so in cadmium cell what happened? In cadmium material is these 2 plates are there, and it have the polarity positive and negative. Cell have the polarity. You have to connect at the same polarity. Positive is given, the positive of the battery you have to connect the positive terminal in the circuit. Negative is connected to the ground. If the polarity is, if you not connect the polarity given as it is, then what happened? The circuit may be damaged. That I have told you at the time of capacitor. I have explained you that capacitor is have the polar capacitor and non-polar capacitor. If not, polar capacitor have the polarity, if you are connected as the polarity is given like that. If not connect, then what happened? Gas will be produced, and in the capacitor will be damaged, and the whole circuit may be damaged. Therefore, whenever polarity is given of the that component, you have to connect as polarity as per the polarity given. Okay, so this is about the battery. Battery is having 2 types. What? Lithium and cadmium. Cadmium means what? Cadmium having 2 plates, upper plate and lower plate. So upper plate is what? Nickel cadmium is there. Upper plate having nickel and lower plate having the cadmium. Therefore its name says that it is the nickel cadmium same. It gives the output as a 1.25 volt. Okay, all the things with diagrams we have seen in the previous lecture. Today we are going to see the wire. What is the wire? Wire is nothing but it is a component which is used to connect or which is used to solder the electronic components, or which is used in the electronic circuit. Wires is the component which is used to connect the circuit, is called as the wires. And this wire may be RF cable. It may be what? RF cable. RF म्हणजे काय? What is RF? It is the radio frequency. It may be, yes, radio frequency cable, or it may be winding wire, or it may be resistance wire. Yes, it may be winding wire, or it may be the resistive wire. So wire are of mainly three types, that is the radio frequency cable, or winding cable, or maybe resistance cable. So mainly wire contain what? It contains the conductor. Wire contains the conductor. What is a conductor? Insulator. We know conductor means what? Which allow the current to flow through, that is called as a conductor. Insulator means what? Which not allow the current to flow is called as the insulator. So wire having main thing in the wire is nothing but what? The conductor. So conductor may be of what? For conductivity, which wires we required? It may be copper and aluminum. We required is the copper wire or aluminum wire. Mostly copper wire is used in the wires. Copper is used in the wire. Why mostly copper is used in the wire? Because it have the low resistivity. Copper have the low resistivity. It have the resistivity means what? It opposes resistance means what? It opposes the flow of current. So it have the low resistivity. Then what happened? More current will be flow, and it have the uniformity. Uniformity means it can be, current can be flow uniformly. It not flow in a random motion. So copper wire contain its properties what? It have the low resistivity, it have the uniformity, and it also is used for, it have the reasonable cost. This cost is what? The reasonable cost. Therefore we choose the copper in the wire. Mostly wires are copper. If you take the wire which are in our home, if you open that wire, one copper is there in the wire. So why we use the mostly copper is used in the wires? Why? Because copper having its low resistivity, it is a reasonable cost, it's not more expensive, and it is having uniformity. Uniformity means what? The current will flow in the uniform motion. Okay, not in the circular motion. So therefore copper wire is mostly used. Aluminum wire is also used in the, see, conductor means what? Which is having two wire, copper wire and the aluminum wire. So aluminum wire have the more resistance to acid and gases. It have the more resistivity. Opposite of that, it having the more resistivity, and it is also used, means it have the reaction with the acid and gases. Acid and gases. It have the more attract with the acid and gases. Therefore aluminum wire is rarely used in the wires. Okay, whenever there is a heavy connections, means if you want the heater, in the heater then you can use this aluminum wire. Okay, for heating elements you can use this aluminum wire. Simply if you want to use, then you can use the copper in the wire. So simply wire you have seen. Now what is there in the wire? Why wire is used? Wire for connecting the device, isn't it? And what is there in the wire? Nothing is there. काय असतो त्याच्यात तर कॉपर असतो, ॲल्युमिनियम असतो. कॉपर इज देर, कॉपर इज यूज्ड. Why copper is used? It is the conducting material, means it allows the current to pass through it. And conducting material means what? Why conducting material means what? The copper, and copper have the low resistivity, it have the low cost, and it moves in the uniform motion. Therefore, copper wire is used. Aluminium wire is also used, but rarely used, not mostly used, because it have the more attraction towards it have the acidic reaction and also attract toward the gases, and it have the more resistivity. Therefore, aluminum wire is not mostly used. Next concept you have to see is the SWG. SWG means what? It is the standard wire gauge. Standard wire gauge. Standard wire gauge means what? What is the gauge of the wire? Gauge means what? What is its size, and what is its shape, and its diameter is called as its gauge. Okay. What is the gauge of component? So we take one example I want to give you. It is wire is also count, or wire is also select in the form of gauge. Okay, so we take the things in kilo, or we take them some thing in meter. Then how you select the wire? The wire should be selected in the gauge. त्याचं गेज किती चांगलं असेल तेवढी चांगली वायर असते. मीन्स हाऊ मच गेज मध्ये काय काय असतो? गेज इज नथिंग बट गेज इज हॅव्हिंग इट्स डायमीटर. गेज मध्ये काय काय असणार आहे? इट्स एरिया सर्क्युलर असेल किंवा कसं असेल. नेक्स्ट इज इट्स डायमीटर, डिपेंड्स. ओके, सो गेज इज हॅव्हिंग नथिंग बट इट्स what? Diameter, cross sectional area, size, and its round shape. Okay, so how much is the size? Depends on that. It's all those contained in the standard wire gauge. Okay, so next part in the standard wire gauge is the first is the solid wire. First type is what? The solid wire. Solid means its name said that it's a solid. What a solid connection happen to means what? It is very hard connection. Solid means what? Hard. Solid is the hard. It is the very hard wire, easily breakable, easily break होऊ शकते. And third is means less distance असेल तर आपण त्या वेळेला असली वायर वापरतो. Solid wire. Solid wires are used when we have to connect them in the less distance. छोटा कनेक्शन असेल तर आपण हार्ड वायर यूज करू शकतो because it is easily breakable. Easily breakable. It is very hard wire. So this solid wire contain what? It is easily breakable. It is not flexible. It is not flexible नसते ते. Is not flexible. Solid wire just ते flexible नसते. It is easy to break and it is very hard wire. Okay, so these are used in the when you have to connect in a small distance or very near distance. Second is what? Stranded wire. Second is what? Stranded wire. Stranded means what? The wire is what? It is the flexible. This wire is what? This multi-strand wires is flexible, less breakable. Yes, it is a less break. जास्त ब्रेक होत नाही, फ्लेक्सिबल असते अँड इट इज हॅव्हिंग more strands in the cable. Multi-strand wires are used and it is specified on the strands and see, these wires are depend on strand and this SWG. SWG means what? Standard wire gauge. This wire depends on gauge. For example, suppose if the wire is having 12 upon 15 gauge, means what? This 12 is its strand and 15 is its gauge. So this wire is depend on its strand of the strand of the signal. The strand is the word states that it is having more number of cables in a one cable and it is very flexible. You can move it everywhere, you can turn it anyhow. It will not break easily. Okay, so it is if you want to make the long connection, then you can use this wire, that is the strand wire. Next is what? Our cables. Which type of cables are there? There are so many types of cable, but some only types are in your syllabus. Cable is what? Cable is nothing but the one type of wire which is used to connect. Two or more common cables are there which are used in the electronic components to connect the devices. Is what? Each wire is insulated from others. It's called as the wire. So this cable are of two types, that is the coaxial cable and second is the transmission cable. Transmission cable, coaxial cable and transmission cable. Solid wires diagram if you want to draw, then you can draw like this. This is the, you have to draw the diagram of wire. You can draw yourself also. This is what? The solid wire. Okay. Then strand wire you can draw like this. Something different than the solid wire is the strand wire. Okay. Coaxial cable means what? See, this coaxial cable you can draw like this. This core or insulated. This is the core and this is the insulating material. Insulating material. Okay. This is what? Coaxial cable. Cables are nothing but it have the two or more common covering from cable. Each wire is insulated from other. Means what? This is the core which is insulated in the core. Again it is insulated and again it is insulated in the plastic material. एकामध्ये एक कवर करून त्याला परत दुसरं कवर करणे, दुसऱ्या कवरला तिसरं कवर करणे, means it is covered in insulating material. More two or other covers are, it is insulated in other. One wire or one cable is insulated in other cable is called as the coaxial cable. Okay. So next is the transmission cable. Coaxial cable and transmission cables are the two cable. Coaxial cable is nothing but which have the space between the two cable, that is the coaxial cable and the transmission cable is called as the transmission medium. Okay. So coaxial cable is nothing but it is the what it is used in the television or it is used in the antenna. It is used in television to connect the antenna. It is called as the coaxial cable. Okay. And व्हॉट इज द ट्रान्समिशन केबल मीन्स ट्रान्समिट करण्यासाठी जे केबल आपण वापरतो त्याला ट्रान्समिशन केबल म्हटलं जातो. इफ द ट्रान्समिशन केबल इज नथिंग बट विच इज हॅव्हिंग टू लीड्स. सपोज इट इज लाईक दिस. So two leads are there in the transmission cable. These are what? Leads. These are what? Leads. Two leads are there in the transmission cable. Okay. So cables are of two types: coaxial cable and transmission cable. It is the twin lead cable when there is a two twin असले का twin आहे. Twin means what? दोन लीड आहेत त्याला म्हणायचा. ट्रान्समिशन केबलला दोन लीड असतात, एक ट्रान्समिट करण्यासाठी एक रिसीव्ह करण्यासाठी. ओके. सो these are the types of cable. So one thing you have to remember, if cable is thin then its insulating coating is made up of enamel. If cable is thin, बारीक केबल असेल तर त्याचा insulating material means what? वरनं कव्हर केलेला मटेरियल जो असतो ते कशाने made up असतो? It is made up of the enamel material. Enamel is the one material. It is called as if the thin wire is there. If the heavy wire is there, then it is covered with rubber. Heavy wire is there, then it is covered with rubber or cotton or plastic. Means like this. Okay, these heavy wires are there, then it is covered with the rubber, plastic or the cotton. Then high resistance wire is there. High resistance wire. This point you have to remember. High resistance wire is used in heating element. For example, our heater. We use the heater at home. So high resistance with the wire which is having high resistance, then that such wires are used in the heater. Okay. So these are about your wire. We have seen what? Relay, switch, battery. Now wires. Only one thing is remember, that is the printed circuit boards that we will see in the next lecture. So in this wire is nothing but a simply a cable used to connect the two devices. दोन डिव्हाइसला कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी एक वायर यूज केले जाते. वायर म्हणजे काय असते ते आपल्याला माहिती आहे. वायर इज नथिंग बट द विच इज हॅव्हिंग कॉपर मटेरियल इनसाइड. कॉपरची केबल असते आतमध्ये, कॉपरची आणि ॲल्युमिनियमची वायर केबल असते. मोस्टली कॉपरची केबल का असते? बिकॉज कॉपर हॅव्हिंग द लो रेजिस्टन्स, युनिफॉर्मिटी अँड इट्स कॉस्ट पण कमी असते, रिजनेबल कॉस्ट असते. ॲल्युमिनियमची वायर यूज केली तर हे हाय कॉस्ट असते आणि जेव्हा गरज असेल त्यावेळेस आपण ॲल्युमिनियमची वायरची केबल वापरतो. मोस्टली वी यूज द कॉपर वायर. ओके. सो इट हॅव वायर कशावर डिपेंड असते तर डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स गेज. किती गेजची वायर आहे त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड असते. जास्त गेज असेल तर तो काय असणार आहे? चांगली वायर असणार. कमी गेज असेल तर वायर लवकर काय होणार आहे? ब्रेक होणार आहे. तर तसेच दोन वायर दाखवले, सॉलिड वायर, स्ट्रेंडेड वायर. सॉलिड वायर म्हणजे हार्ड वायर असते, लगेच ब्रेकेबल होत असतो. अँड इट हॅव द स्मॉल डिस्टन्सवरती तुम्हाला कनेक्ट करायचे असेल तर ॲट दॅट टाइम यू कॅन कनेक्ट दिस सॉलिड वायर. नेक्स्ट इज वॉट? स्ट्रेंड वायर. स्ट्रेंड वायर मीन्स 2 or 3 वायर्स आर देअर इन वन वायर. एक वायर तुम्ही जर ओपन केलं तर त्यात 3 किंवा 4 वायर्स असतात, त्याला म्हणायचं स्ट्रेंडेड वायर्स. मीन्स सो मेनी वायर्स आर कवर्ड इन वन कोटिंग. ओके. सो इट इज द फ्लेक्सिबल वायर. फ्लेक्सिबल वायर असते, लवकर तुटत नाही. देन इट हॅव द डिपेंड्स ऑन द गेज. गेज म्हणजे काय बघायचं? 12/15 जर दिलं असेल तर 12 त्याचा स्ट्रेंड असतो, 15 त्याचा गेज असतो. तो वायर इज डिपेंड ऑन गेज. हाऊ मच गेज वायर इज देअर. वायर स्थिर जर बारीक वायर असेल तर इट्स इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल इज मेड अप ऑफ द इनॅमल मटेरियल. and if a heavy wire is there, then heavy wires are have the covered with its rubber and plastic cover. And then you want to use in the heating element, then you have to use the high resistivity wires. Okay, mainly cables are of two types. Only two cables are given here in the 11th standard. Remaining cables are in the 12th standard. All cables are that is straight pair cable, shielded cable, non-shielded cable, then coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. All cables are there in 12th standard. Only two cables are mentioned in your syllabus, that is the coaxial cable and transmission cable. Transmission means what? To transfer. Signal transfer करण्यासाठी एका सिग्नल पासून दुसऱ्या सिग्नल means in the computer from CPU to monitor or CPU to peripheral devices, you have to send some signal. At that time you use the transmission cable. Okay, it have the two twin leads. Twin means what? दोन lead असतात transmit करण्यासाठी आणि receive करण्यासाठी. Okay, so these are the transmission cable. And coaxial cable means what? It is nothing but the one common pole is used in the insulating material and it is again covered with the plastic cover. It is called as the coaxial cable. Okay, all of you understand this? This is a very simple concept. I will stop it here.